Hi! Today I'm going to explain the new Samsung Oven's AI Pro cooking feature to my husband. He doesn't know how easy it is yet to use, and how great its features are. So let's head to the kitchen. All set?
All right.
You want to see something amazing in the oven?
Sure. Wow, what's this?
This is the power of AI Pro cooking. The built-in camera analyzes the ingredients inside and suggests two options. Once you select the dish, it automatically sets the optimal time and temperature.
No need to set it manually?
No, and it has 80 recipes.
It's very convenient.
Oh, but unfortunately, it doesn't have the recipe of your favorite dish, chicken pot pie.
Well, then I guess it won't be easy for me to make it all by myself.
But don't worry, the upgraded AI Pro Cooking also lets you save recipes for your favorite dishes, like chicken pot pie. So for example, if you've made a dish with the same ingredients more than 5 times, the recipe will be saved in the oven. The 6th time, the camera recognizes the ingredients and suggests the saved recipe.
So all I have to do is push start? That's so easy. I'll make it for you next time.
It will detect the food if it's burning and let you know right away, so you don't have to worry about it.
Wow.
Look, you can monitor a cooking process through your TV or your phone via SmartThings.
Look at that. Cooking perfectly.
When it's done cooking, it creates a time-lapse video automatically so we can share with our friends. Make cooking easy, shareable, and get professional results using AI Pro Cooking. I'm excited to try the chicken pot pie my husband will make, and I'll post a time-lapse video on my social account, so stay tuned.
And I'm planning on preparing a meal for my wife's birthday next month. We hope you'll try these amazing features with AI Pro Cooking.